Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Apply adjustments made to the current photo in the Develop module to multiple other photos that are selected in the film strip at the same time. Open the photo to which you want to apply the shared adjustments within the Develop module. Next, Control-click to select the other photos in the film strip to which you want to apply the same adjustments. Then click the Enable Auto Sync switch to the left of the Sync button at the bottom of the panel grouping at the right side of the screen to enable the Auto Sync mode. Then make the desired adjustments to the active photo in the Develop module to apply the adjustments to all selected photos within the film strip. To disable the Auto Sync feature when you're finished, click the same switch button again to turn it off.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.